This is my 17th year at a center-based program, but 18th year overall. I was also in a resource room 1 year. An SXI teacher, SXI stands for severe multiple impairments. So we have students that come in with varying disabilities and obviously multiple impairments. So they have cognitive impairments, but they also may have some physical impairments. They may have autism and they may also be in a wheelchair. So we work with every student, and sometimes they also have some medically complex needs that we address and help. I think we have a really unique opportunity here because our students are allowed to go outside of the four walls of education and go out in the community. And so not only do we have our standard classes, we have morning meeting and like a group wrap up at the end of the day where all the students are working on using their communication systems and also getting some physical movement in because their bodies need it. But also during the day, we do the community-based instruction. So they're able to go out in the community and we practice socialization, interacting with unfamiliar people, standing in line. A lot of the skills that would help them not only here at school, but in the community and at home. We have a lot of opportunities to practice the personal hygiene, the social interaction, the home and community, multiple times a day. I've had an amazing opportunity to have some great relationships with families and the students. And so it feels like a second home that I'm coming to, not just a job. And I take that very seriously. And I hope that my families feel that it's a great environment for their children as well. A couple of experiences starting out in high school. There was a young gentleman, I'll call him Jay. He was somebody that was very quiet and to himself. I'd see him in classes from time to time, but I always tried to make a point to go and say hi to him and talk with him. And leading up to our senior year, our last 2 weeks, he came up to me and had a gift for me and essentially said, with this little sculpture, "Thank you for seeing me." And it was just one of those moments where it kind of hit me that there are people within our schools, even as a high school age student, that don't feel seen and recognized. If you're thinking about going into the field of special education, it's one of those fields where if you enjoy working around others, you enjoy the day-to-day challenges of maybe thinking on your feet and not knowing day-to-day what might happen. Not every day is going to be the same. So being flexible. I think if you're looking into special education, you have to be somebody that's flexible and empathetic and a team player.